Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday, so it's open for everyone today in Crypto Traders Arena. We have this live stream, then we'll probably have day trading with Stefan, and in the New York session, we'll have the session open for all the Discord members. Morning, Andrei. Morning, Aidan. Hey, Harry. Hey, Noure. Hey, Timmy. Hey, Thomas. I'm late, 5 minutes this time. I stayed a bit too much last night, which is not healthy for me, is not healthy for anyone. And you can see I'm late 5 minutes, which is not normal for me. I hate when that happens, and I hope will not happen again. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual on CME. And what do we have here? We have the all-time high here on CME. It's 125, 200. And you can see we closed a daily candle above that week high, which means technically a new high, which means we can push higher. Yeah. And when you want to break a range and even think about a trend or continuation, you need a candle body close above the previous week high. On higher time frame, not 5 minute chart. So we have that now. We can think higher, yes. We can think straight up, yes, but also we can think retest of this big W there. Okay. Hopefully you have sound and you see my screen. If someone can tell me if everything is okay. On my OBS says that everything is nice. Okay. So as we discussed yesterday in the weekly crypto review, go and watch that recording if you want. Yeah, we can push higher. 130, 135 is the AB equals CD target. But also we can come back down here, retest the W. That will be more, I don't know, healthy from the TA perspective. Yeah. Retest this level and then push higher. We'll have to wait and see what will happen. As long as we are holding above 120, as long as we are holding this big range above 110, everything is okay. Nothing to worry about from the Bitcoin perspective and even from the altcoins perspective. At least that is my 2 cents. That's my view about the market. Maybe I'm wrong. Who the fuck knows? Maybe this is the top and we'll go to zero in, I don't know, next 3 months. But I think we still have some room to grow before we'll dump. Let's see the classic chart. Here you can see the exactly what I was trying to say earlier. A retest here will be healthy, maybe a W on 4-hour chart, then push higher to 135. The dump here will shake the weekends, and they'll call bear market or a bit double top, and you know, the same story. And then the market to push higher. I don't know which is worse for them, to pump straight up or to come back down to scare them once more and then to pump. We'll have to wait and see. Probably to retest this level will be uglier for beginners. Why? They'll believe the double top story. Anyway, above this one, to the moon. Retest of this one and W and pushing higher. Yeah, nice and clean. Above this level, I think everything is okay. I don't want to see the market accepting below this level because we'll form an ugly pattern here. Ugly. Anyway, that's on daily time frame. Yeah, you can see it here even better. Let's take a look at Ethereum on daily. Ethereum is stronger than a couple of days ago against Bitcoin. Now I think we have the answer. Yeah, we didn't accept above this level, but I think we have the answer to that question I was asking days ago. Is this a bearish retest or was a deviation in the range and we are pushing higher? Well, now we are at the top of the range. We closed here, and I think Ethereum needs to outperform, or it's possible to outperform. We can test this high for $1,950, and if we'll accept, you'll see a candle body above this level, or even a candle body above this level, $4,870, which is the previous all-time high. A candle body close above these levels. You can see here we didn't close above the all-time high. See it? This is the all-time high. We made a new all-time high, but on daily we closed below. 1, 2, 3 attempts, no, and we dumped. Now if we close above this level, that means probably higher. Simple as that, people. Simple as that. Morning, Jade. But thinking range, we should chase Ethereum here? No. We should not chase. We can chase with Holy Grail on 5-50-minute chart. If you want, you can play that one. It's nice and clean. We can make money. It's made for this kind of environment. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. My scenario is starting to play out. Give me a W the other side of the trend line, or at least accept the other side of that trend line. We are still below this EM. So for the moment, it's kind of ugly. Why? We have EMs here. 1, 2, the second one is bigger. The third one is clear. We dumped. We SFU this level, but was a fake out. Look at the radar tracks here. And we have Ws now. A W here, another W here, and we'll form another W if we'll accept above. So we are between M's and W's in an interesting area. So it's possible to dump at 0.32 or to pump back up here at to retest 38.2 short reload zone or short 38.2. I think we'll push higher, but what I think doesn't have too much value. My opinion is that Ethereum will pump here. Yeah, so what? Technically, I'm between levels and nothing I can do here. So that's why I'm expecting more confluence here. Give me a W, the other side of the trend line, then I'll say, well, at least I have a setup. I know exactly what the win rate is for this setup, so I have an advantage in the market. Bitcoin dominance. As we discussed yesterday, you can see the targets to the downside. We made a W on daily. We break out and we retested. We don't have a daily EM yet. So here, from this point, we have higher highs and higher lows. We are still in the same environment. Yeah, it's slowing down. Yes, I could see a EM forming, but we don't have that EM yet. I need that EM. I prefer that EM a bit higher, but it's not up to me. Give me a clear EM, and we can think about all the altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, or most of them. For the moment, is selective altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. You saw some of them are pumping like crazy. They have their own bull market. If you are in, you are in. If you are not, just watch from the sidelines. Don't chase, because like I was saying yesterday in the New York session, everyone is saying, including me, saying to the moon. But that's not the complete phrase. The complete phrase is slowly to the moon and back really fast. So to the moon, we are going step by step, like you see here. Okay, it's not the best example, but you get the idea. And back, so a shitcoin could go to the moon and back in one day. If you are in the trade from the beginning you can make some profit on the way, okay. If not, don't chase, because that coin could be back at the original place or even lower in hours, sometimes minutes. Dominance here, as long as I don't have that yam, I'm not too confident in a big move on altcoins. Let's just say it like that. Yes, at least is stopping to pump, is respecting this trend line. Is not a new day, a new high. We didn't make the new all-time high yesterday. This is a rejection candle. RSI is telling me that something is off. OBV is saying that everything is okay. So far, I don't see daily yams. I don't see too much weakness. As the location is bad, to think long is bad to chase here. But market could pump. Who said that the government shutdown is bearish for the market? Look at it. He's pumping. He's strong. He's holding. I bet when government will open, the market will dump. Anyway, that's a different story. Gold. To the moon. It's still strong. You can see. Yesterday candle. Still some fear in the market. A lot of it, actually. But most of the people don't see the fear. I don't know why. Silver. I posted a chart on Twitter. And yeah, it's damn right. That's something we should think about. Yeah, I reposted something somewhere. Yeah, this one. Blunts posted it. I retweeted. I reposted. This is silver versus ES. Can you see something here? Can you see silver outperforming? Imagine how high silver could go. It's still not okay to chase, but it's just giving an idea how high silver could go. 100 and more. Okay? Total market cap on daily. What do we have here, people? What do we have here? We finally have a new high here. And we closed above. August 25, now we have a candle body close above the previous week. That means we can be out from this range. It's the first clear sign that we want to push higher. AB equals CD is pointing out here. A lot higher. Well, let's see what will happen. Again, it's healthy to retest this W. Yes. Total 3. Similar. We closed above. We closed a daily candle above the 2024 all-time high, which means the same. And here we have a retest. You can see here, have all the retests we need. If we want to pump, we can pump. We waited a long time for this one. I'm waiting for weekly candle to see if we'll close above or not. But the idea is it's time to pay attention on altcoins. Hopefully all the bags are ready, because once this one starts pumping, I don't want to buy shitcoins anymore. I want to pay attention on the sell side if I see weakness, if I see something. Nice times will not last a long period of time, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months, who knows. Okay, so that's the overview. Not too many things to say. That, well, market is strong. Market made new all-time highs on Bitcoin, on total market cap. ES is still strong. The problem is ES and gold are pumping in the same time, so something is off. Silver is pumping also, which means everything should be okay on the economy side, and the bad things are over. Ugly. Okay, let's go on lower time frame and see what we have. This is a trade from yesterday. From some days ago. You can see. W's, we took the trade, pumping to the moon. We're still waiting for the moon. Everything is ready. I posted on Twitter this one. So if you are not in the trade, you can enter again if you want. You calculate your position size here at this level. You can see the W's now. Big W's on 4-hour chart. A retest of this level could give you another entry, but you have to make a new trade entry here, stop loss all the way down. So the position size will be totally different. Is different. Okay. It's possible to enter at the retest of this neckline if someone wants to take an idea. People, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor for sure. So be sure you take responsibility for the trades you make, for the money you risk. Okay? I'm just a guy on YouTube who today was late 5 minutes that is telling what he's doing with his own money and is showing you some lines on the chart. Okay? Nothing more than that. Yeah, Stefan, I'm okay. You saw the message from last night? Well, exactly like I said in that message. Yeah? Degen by nature, trader by education. Well, this time the Degen won yesterday. Sometimes I fall, Stefan. Sometimes. So don't do like me, please. Well, I'll recover and I'll be okay. I'll put it in my journal as a stupid mistake to stay all night. Today I have to be extra careful what I'm trading because I didn't have enough rest. You know already what I'll do today. I'll slow down. And it's not okay because it's Tuesday and I should be ready to go. But what I can do now? Journal, slow down, recover, and keep going. Looking for solutions. Yeah, probably. But maybe not full mode, Stefan. Okay, so this was a trade retest of this W's. It's okay to take a trade, maybe even lower if you get an entry. Let's start with Bitcoin and then we'll go with the rest. Okay, let's find Bitcoin in this ugly list. Okay, this is Bitcoin. This is ugly. What I see here. No, it's not ugly. If I'll draw this one from here to here to the all-time high, you can see now it's okay. We are between these two levels. 124,500 and 123,500. $1,000. Why it's important? Well, look why it's important. Why I consider this level is important. This is the July 25 high. This is August 25 high. And the price is consolidating that level. We made a slightly new high. Was a nice SFU. Okay, if you wanted to scalp at that point in time when you took a short, okay. No, it's not bad to take a short to hedge your portfolio even, or if you are sharp enough. If you are not sharp enough, don't short. Just buy the dip and forget about shorting. If you are not a scalper, if you are not a day trader, don't fuck around. Okay? I'll go on, for example, on 5-minute chart to see what a scalper did here or can do here. Look at it. Textbook SFU. Yeah, we closed above the SFU level, a 5-minute candle. The next close on 5-minute candle below the SFU level is your entry. There you go. So that's the trade. It's there. Take it or leave it. It's totally up to you. Yeah. And let's see where the market is. Well, now it's here. Sorry, wrong drawing. Short. So that's the entry. That's your stop loss. And the market is here for the moment. 4R. Not bad. But you get the idea. But if you are not a 5-minute trader, if you are not a scalper or day trader, don't fuck around. Just wait. Because market now bounced It's bouncing from this support and it's between these two levels. If you are a higher time frame trader, nothing you can do here. What a $1,000, $2,000 move could do for a swing trader here. Keep in mind the price of Bitcoin. Nothing. So let's see what will happen. What we can discuss now is the Monday high and the Monday low. And because I was late, and I'm late 5 minutes, I didn't have time to draw the levels. I have to do it now. Let's find the Monday high, Monday low in the live stream. So this is the high. Monday high is all-time high, which is nice. There you go, until next Monday. This is the high, this is the low. Let's rename it as a Monday range. Okay, let's do it on Ethereum also. And then we can talk about. 1 second. So that's the high. There you go. That's the low. Okay, let's put the Monday range. There you go. Now we can go on lower time frame. We can discuss more. 1 hour. There you go. So, guess what is next? Monday low. We can touch this level. You can see confluence with this level. And if we'll SFU this level and we'll hold, when accept above, could be a nice long. Stefan, it's all over it. Yeah? Because Stefan is not late like me. He's not staying up all night. He's sleeping. Like how I taught him to do. To sleep in the night and trade in the day. Well, nice teacher you have, Stefan. He's telling you one thing and he's doing another one. Good job. SFU of this level could be a nice SFU in maybe in the London session or probably in the New York session. If we'll test this level, yeah, we can play the SFU. We'll play classic. Monday high, Monday low. Actually, we'll play the Monday range. You can see here, nothing we can do. So, yeah, we have the Monday high. Yeah, we have the Monday low. Yeah, on higher time frame, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, we are still in this uptrend. As long as we hold these levels and we don't make lower lows, everything is okay. This uptrend should keep pushing higher and higher. In the same time, even if it's a new high here, you can see we have made a slightly higher high from Sunday. So, like I said yesterday, the highs from the weekend are not safe. They are not okay to hold. An SFU is kind of a must there. We'll SFU the level. We'll test the level. And we dumped. I bet Stefan took that short. I bet some VIP traders took that short there. And now we'll test this level here. Some confluence, some support. Let's see what will happen. Okay, Ethereum on lower time frame. Well, people on Ethereum, you can see the trader. On 5-minute chart, I played with Holy Grail. This was the entry. You can see it. You can see what a trader did. What do we have here? This trade is gone. Okay, it's gone. Bye-bye. It's gone because it's deep in profit. I put that chart there just to post it on Twitter. On Monday high, Monday low, you can see. We made the Monday. We didn't manage to push above this level. That's a trap, people. I don't like it. Yeah, we are confirming this EM, but I will believe this fact that we didn't manage to take the Monday high and we are dumping without taking that one. I don't know. We'll see in the New York session. Or even in London session we can see a sweep of this one. But let's assume that this EM is confirming. The target for this EM is back at the Monday low. Okay? Even if you take a trade, a short here, a 2 to 1 will point out in this area here. Pretty simple. Play the Monday range. Wait for a sweep if you want to short. Ethereum is kind of strong for a short, but play your setups. But if the market will dump here in the support, in 4,500 area. I'll take any W here or a sweep of this Monday low. Yesterday, someone asked me where will stop. Well, let's take the liquidity. I could see taking all these levels, and we left only 2 above, and then the way up here. Oh, we have the eyes here. 1 second, people. Let's move the eyes a bit higher. So, I'll take some profit off from the trade I made here. Yes. I'll close everything? No. Similar, Ethereum will play the Monday range. I'll take this EM here? No. I see the EM. Probably we have some divergence. Not divergence, but we have some EMs on RSI. EMs on OBV. Not yet clear EMs, but you get the idea. But no, it's not for me. I'll stay long only on Ethereum from now on. I'm not shorting Ethereum. I explained you what I'll do on Bitcoin, Ethereum, no. Now, in 5-10 minutes, because today it's Tuesday and we don't have the VIP live stream, we'll do the VIP live stream on YouTube, Day Trading with Stefan. I think Stefan will not mind if I'll stay 10 minutes more. What do you say, Stefan? And how much time you want to start your live stream? You are okay, no? Oh, okay. Let's put 4-hour chart, people, and let's look at shitcoins, new shitcoins. Look at this one. If you didn't get an entry, you'll probably get an entry soon enough. Up to you. This one. Guess what? I posted here a trade with the short reload zone, and someone even asked me before we touched that level, well, it's still valid? And I even got a bit upset, and I said, well, you're asking me about the level wasn't touched and nothing changed. If it's still valid, of course it's still valid. Well, we didn't get that EM in the short reload zone. What we got was an SFU. Yeah? Was an SFU, and what a trader could do. Could just take the SFU here. That was really sharp, but really dangerous. So I prefer to do something else. What a trader can do. Well, wait for the SFU and then we take the 3-bar fractal top. 1, 2, 3. If it accepts below, the trade is on. And you can see the result. But that's a scalp. Nothing else. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. On this one, you can see we are still waiting lower. So this trade could provide more profit. We are waiting here. Is this a coin that I was saying earlier that this has his own bull market? Look at it. We started from 25 cents and we made more than 10x on this one. This is entire bull market for some shit coins. But don't chase here. Stefan, you remember, this is my favorite setup for shitcoins in the top. You remember when shitcoins pumped 3-4 years ago? This SFU was my trigger. Everyone was shorting here and I said, no, give me another SFU. Well, maybe it's time to pay attention. I think it's a bit too early, but when you see something pumping like crazy, I think it's still a good setup to use. It's only for this kind of environment. Okay, so long reload zone for this one. This one back in the long reload zone. Maybe we'll make some W's. We'll probably retest this support here at 78.6. No W, no setup, people there. A bit too high for my taste, you can see it. Aster. I was hoping for more, but as you can see, people, we are trying to accept back below $2. We have the airdrop probably is already in. We can go sideways, yes. We can push lower, yes. What is my approach? I play this setup and I'm playing this setup. I bought a spot bag. If the market will dump in the long reload zone or lower, I'll buy more. I want to get a full position on Aster. And after I have a full position, hopefully I'll manage to get a average a better average that I have now, I'll hold it as long as possible. Yeah. The hype and the news and the fad will come and go, and people will say, if the market will dump here, will say, well, I told you that CZ will dump on us and it's shit. And even if we'll test the lows, they'll say the same. But that will be a buying opportunity for me. On the long run, just imagine BNB years ago. And look at BNB now. You have to change, to zoom out, to think about, it's possible, it's probable that Aster will do really well on the long run? And my answer is yes. So the noise below weekly chart is just noise. I'll use that noise to buy as low as possible, and I'll get a full position, and I'll hold it as long as possible. If I'll see a blow off top on this one, okay, I'll sell more than 50% and I'll try to reload a lot lower. But a bag, I don't know, at least 50% from the original. I'll keep it. It's just my play. I'm not saying to do the same. Setups here, no. It's a range from now on. It's fighting $2 and could fight $2 for a long period of time. If you are risk free like me, you don't care. Avant. Not everything is nice and clean, you can see. We attempted a long here, fake out, and we are dumping. Okay, we are dumping. I'm waiting, as I said in the message, I'll wait for the next W and I'll play the next W. We are in the long reload zone. We are the other side of the trend line. I'll play Ws, if I'll see Ws. I attempted one on 1 hour chart, was a trap, I took it, hit the stop loss, next bus, and I'll wait for the next W. Here, nothing special, testing the lows, long reload zone for this one. I know a guy, Andrea, you are here, Stefan? I know a guy that loves to short. I said it yesterday in the New York live stream, I guess. I know a guy that short, knows how to short. He's still a scalper, like I said. Well, yesterday I reopened my I have the account from some time, but I decided to restart the Twitter. I had only Crypto Traders Arena to manage, but I didn't have my own account. So now I have one and I'll post there. So if you want to join me there, well, feel free to subscribe. The Degen is back. And the Degen took a short here. This one is in the long reload zone, but I don't see a clear setup. I don't know, maybe if you zoom out, maybe on daily chart. Yeah. It's not a new shitcoin anymore. So yeah, if you see daily chart, W's breakout and retest, maybe. Not looking bad with the OBV. Look at that, this OBV. Come on. No, if we'll do something, why not? Let's take the next one. Nothing we can do here. Nothing we can do here. We should wait a bit lower. Long reload zone, but is not moving too much. It's like a stable coin, this one. Mira, we are a bit underwater and will probably push lower. We are in profit with this one. Most of us, the VIP, the premium, have this trade. The rest of you should have this trade. It's nice. This one is pumping, so keep the trade open. We are risk free. We don't know where it'll stop. If we'll stop all the way up here, that's a 12-1, people. That's a 12-1. You don't need too many trades like this to have a good week or a good month. Okay? And imagine it's 4-hour chart. This should be a swing trade for you. In the long reload zone, if will be the case. In the long reload zone on this one. All over the place, this one. Let's wait. Don't chase. We took this W. We are risk free. Let's see what will happen. We are back at the entry. You can take this retest. Well, it's the second one. It's up to you. Maybe you wait on lower time frame for a W and you can frame even a better setup here. Pay attention on this one. Could be something. Take my money and run. Look at it. Pump and dump. Nothing I can do there. I'll wait in the long reload zone on Toshi. We framed a setup yesterday on this one. It's still buyable. It's still there. Not the best risk reward, but a 3-to-1 is a 3-to-1. And a 3-to-1 should be enough for a trader. Should be the target for a trader. Nothing I can do here. We had the retest and we are pumping. This one is stable coin. This was an extraction coin for big money. Create hype, launch the coin, dump on public, let them hold the bag, and the price is not moving anymore. This one, I still have the trade. Nothing I can do here. I missed this opportunity to sell. Okay, if that happened, I'll keep the trade. Let's see. Maybe this was the bottom. If we pump here, I'll sell some. I'm risk free anyway. After this one, let's see. We have more here. We talked about this one from the beginning. Yeah, W's in 61.8 on lower time frame. Is pushing, is strong. Is one of the coins Bocian is interested. His dollar cost averaging here. I have this trade and I have a bag already bought on spot at this level, and you can see the buying levels for me. Here, 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 and here. On spot, as investment, as, I don't know, position trading on spot. The setup is separate. We are already at 3-to-1 and the target is almost 5-to-1. But actually the target for this one is all the way up here. That's why I put the arrow there. So that's 8-to-1. I don't think anyone will mind to take that trade. And I asked multiple times when the market was retesting, because I saw the strength, if you are in, if you are in. Well, hopefully you are in. If you are not, the retest of this W could give you another entry, but it's a different position size, different risk reward, actually a different setup. This one, I'm waiting for a breakout. If we'll do a breakout and a retest, I'll enter in this trade. Is waiting mode. Why I want this trade? Well, look at the risk to reward. Even to 38.2. That's a 14-to-1, people. Imagine this one to make a small W here. Imagine, I'm not saying that will happen, and push all the way up back at 61.8. That's a 24 R. Man, that's a trade. I could attempt the third time here, because we attempted already once and we failed. This is the second time. I'll do it the third time. Yes. Bitcoin we talked about. Ethereum we talked about. This one is in the long reload zone, not doing anything. This one is trying to make some W's there, but still ugly. Why I'm not going on lower time frame? Well, Stefan will be live in a couple of minutes, so you can ask him all the questions you have, all the requests. I'm a bit tired to go too deeply on the lower time frame. Yeah, good morning, Florian. In the long reload zone for this one, this one, we had a trade here on lower time frame. Someone asked me and I said, well, if you see W's, we pumped. That trade is done. Now we are retesting. Wait for a 4-hour W here. Yeah, the trade was there for, I don't know, 5-minute chart scalpers. Let me show you. We had this one here. Maybe 15-minute chart was better. Yeah. With some bullish divergence on OBV, on RSI. Who managed to take the trade there, made some money. Okay, you made the money. Now he's back in the long reload zone. Wait for higher time frame now. W's. And we don't have anything for the moment. Okay? That trade that we spoke to yesterday is gone. Next bus. 61.8. Well, I'll wait lower. You can see this one looks like it's dead. No, nothing is happening. We'll dump at some point in time. This one, I'm still waiting here, people. Still waiting here. If it will happen, I'll take it. You know a guy that knows a guy that shorted the top here. I don't know if you know him. Good for you. New shitcoin. Look at it. Yesterday in Binance. Yeah? And we opened here and we dumped here. Wait until you'll see clear W's. Study the fundamental, and if you like it, buy a bag. If not, you can trade, but nothing we can do in this kind of environment. No W, straight dump. Give me something to work on, maybe. So that's my list, people. That's my list. Today I'll slow down. I'll try to keep myself in check because, well, definitely I didn't sleep 6 hours. So my rule says to slow down, not to trade at all, just to slow down because I'm not as sharp as I should be. Yeah. I even have a test to see how sharp I am. And after the live stream, when Stefan will open his live stream, I'll do that test to see if I'm good to trade or I have to go back to sleep. Anyway, bad example is an example how not to do it in the bull market. Calendar, we don't have too many things. We have Wednesday, so tomorrow we have FOMC minutes, that will move the market, and Friday we have consumer sentiment, that will move the market, but pretty safe week, acceptable. Twitter is tweeting, yeah, you can see a lot of posts and reposts here. I said about the account I made, somewhere in here, where the fuck is? Where I put it? Yeah, there you go. This guy has 144 followers. It's a lot of followers for him. I don't know. If you want to follow me on Twitter, follow this account. I even made a giveaway. Let's call it that way. At the end of the month, I'll give 3 places for premium for the followers. Trying to increase a bit, to grow a little bit on Twitter. Okay. Shitcoins here. Pay attention on Arena. They have the last airdrop this month, at the end of the month, and then no more airdrops on Arena, the big ones. And I think that will be nice to see what will happen after. I saw some rumors that they intend to go on, I don't know, other platform, not only Twitter and so on. Could be something nice. We'll see. Shitcoins, let's go back here on the shitcoins. They didn't start pumping yet. This is not pumps for shitcoins, for DEX screener shitcoins. No. This is, they all pump the last. Yeah, you know the saying, the shit pumps the last. Anyway. Okay, so Bitcoin, let's see the Monday range. That's the way we should play the market. Ethereum, play the Monday range, but careful on shorting. That's another thing I don't want to do. I don't want to short Ethereum. I see the strength there. That being said, I'll call it a live stream. Stefan is waiting to start his live stream. He'll post the link on Discord. He'll post the link on Twitter. He'll post the link on VIP and Premium, so you can join him in the next live stream. Sorry for being late. Sorry, but I'm not so sharp and I'm staying away from the lower time frame. But it is what it is. I'll have to slow down today. Tomorrow, hopefully, I'll be as usual. That being said, let's call it a live stream. Hit the like button. Hit the dislike button. See you in the chat with Stefan. Bye bye.